Chilliwack-Sumas. Chilliwack-Sumas was a provincial electoral district for the Legislative Assembly of British Columbia, Canada from 2001 to 2009. Demographics, Geography. 1999 redistribution. Changes from Chilliwack to Chilliwack-Sumas include removal of half of the city of Chilliwack, removal of all area east of the city of Chilliwack, changes from other electoral district to Chilliwack-Sumas, inclusion of the southwestern portion of the city of Abbotsford, inclusion of Sumas Mountain. Member of Legislative Assembly. Its MLA is Honorable John Less, a former mayor of Chilliwack. He was first elected in 2001. He represents the British Columbia Liberal Party. Mr. Less was appointed Minister of Small Business and Economic Development on Jan. 26, 2004. He is seeking re-election in the newly created Chilliwack riding for the 2009 election. Election results.